Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to easily send photos on Talkie AI. So if you want to send photos on Talkie AI in this video, I'll show you the most easiest method to do it. So let's get right into it. So right now, Talkie AI doesn't allow direct image uploads inside chats, but don't worry. There's a simple workaround to share pictures with AI characters. To send an image, first upload it to an image hosting site like Imper, Post Images, Google Drive public link. Now, if it's uploaded, copy the link to your image. Now paste the image link into your Talkie AI chat. While the AI won't see the image directly, it can. While the AI won't see it directly, some bots may respond based on the link's description or context to provide you. Now, until the Talkie AI adds photo sharing, this is the best way to send pictures in chat. Remember, the easy way is just to send an image, upload it on an image hosting site like Post Images, Google Drive. Google Drive is preferably the most easiest way. And now upload the link and share the link with Talkie AI, and the AI will easily send the photos. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.